We all make choices every day. Some seem insignificant, almost automatic. The coffee we choose, the route we take to work, the snack we grab in the afternoon. But what if I told you these seemingly small decisions have a far-reaching impact, a ripple effect that shapes not only our immediate experience, but our long-term well-being and even the world around us? Let's start with the obvious. The food we eat directly affects our health. A daily diet of processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats contributes to weight gain, heart disease, and a host of other health problems. Conversely, choosing whole, unprocessed foods, fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins fuels our bodies, improves our energy levels, and boosts our overall well-being. This isn't just about physical health. It impacts our mental clarity, our mood, and our ability to function effectively throughout the day. The seemingly small choice of a healthy lunch over a fast food burger is a significant investment in your future self. Consider your transportation choices. Driving alone contributes to traffic congestion, air pollution, and climate change. Opting for public transportation, cycling, or walking, even just a few times a week, reduces your carbon footprint and contributes to a healthier environment for everyone. It also offers unexpected benefits, a chance to clear your head, get some exercise, and connect with your community. The seemingly insignificant choice of how you get to work has a profound impact on the planet and your personal well-being. Our consumption habits also play a crucial role. The clothes we buy, the electronics we use, the products we consume, each purchase carries a hidden cost. Supporting ethical and sustainable brands, choosing durable products over disposable ones, and reducing our overall consumption contributes to a more just and environmentally responsible world. It's about considering the entire life cycle of a product, from its production to its disposal, and making conscious choices that align with our values. The seemingly small act of choosing a sustainable product over a cheaper, less ethically sourced alternative is a vote for a better future. Even our social interactions contribute to this hidden impact. Choosing to be kind, to listen empathetically, to offer support to others creates a ripple effect of positivity. These small acts of kindness not only improve the lives of those around us, but also enhance our own sense of purpose and well-being. The seemingly insignificant choice to offer a helping hand or a kind word can have a transformative effect on someone's day, and in turn, on your own. The choices we make each day are not isolated events. They are interconnected threads that weave the fabric of our lives and the world around us. By being mindful of these choices, by considering their long-term consequences, we can create a more positive and sustainable future for ourselves and for generations to come. It's not about perfection,